I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather as low pressure tracks across southern Kansas. Rain continues to lift north through tomorrow, possibly lingering into tomorrow evening. Far southern Nebraska and northern Kansas are in line for rain amounts of a half inch to an inch. Near I-80, rain amounts should range from a quarter to a half inch, while areas along and north of Highway 92 see little to no rain. Highs dropping to the mid to upper 40s tomorrow. Over the weekend, a ridge of high pressure builds onto the plains for highs in the mid-50s to around 60 and mostly light winds. Low pressure moves across the plains Monday for another chance of rain, but mostly across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Light snow is possible across far southern Nebraska and northern Kansas Tuesday night into Wednesday with another wave of low pressure. A series of cold fronts dropping those highs from the low 50s Monday to around 40 the day before Thanksgiving. Long-term forecast now predicting nothing but colder than normal temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through the first 3 days of next month. It also includes above normal precipitation Tuesday through December 3rd for both Nebraska and Kansas. The regional drought monitor shows Nebraska with a 12% drop to 45% drought free. It's abnormally dry in many areas along and east of a line from O'Neill to Grand Island, also along and northwest of a line from Valentine to Ogallala. Coverage of moderate drought increasing 7 percentage points to 24% of Nebraska, including areas from Central City to Columbus, much of the western Sandhills to the southern Panhandle, and most of the northeastern corner of Nebraska. Kansas is steady at 75% drought-free. Abnormal dryness to moderate drought is found from eastern Jewell County to much of eastern Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include two big storms moving through the U.S., a colder outlook for next week, low water levels on the Mississippi River, and drying conditions in Argentina and southern Brazil. A very humid air mass surges northward from the Gulf and interacts with the storm, drifting eastward from the Four Corners to the mid-Atlantic coast over the next several days. That system generates a wide swath of moderate to heavy rain of 1 to 3 inches, locally more from Texas and the southern plains eastward into the Tennessee and lower Ohio River valleys. A second storm quickly trails but takes a more northeasterly track, resulting in rain and mountain snow in southern portions of the Rockies and Plains on Sunday before reaching the Mississippi Valley and Great Lakes early next week. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days in the northern half of the Rockies and Plains. Across the Plains and Midwest, colder air next week is the start of a prolonged period of colder air to start off December. Mississippi River water levels are not expected to increase much from the upcoming unsettled weather, but it could be the start of improving levels over the winter. Argentina and southern Brazil are headed for a drier period. That is likely to lead to decreasing soil moisture from good levels in Argentina and worsening conditions for corn and soybeans in southern Brazil during the main growing season of next month. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.